For Input Table, choose Counties from the drop-down. The Browse button is only needed if the data are not already in the map. Click in the Output Table box to see the full location and name. Edit the final part of the name after the last slash to read Oregon County Pop Stats. Click Tab to finish entering the name. Use the Field drop-down box to select the field Pop 2014. Leave Sum as the statistic type. Use the second field drop-down and select Pop 2014 again. Change the statistic type to minimum. Add entries for the maximum and the mean. Of Pop 2014 as well. Leave the case field blank. Click Run at the bottom of the pane to execute the tool.